ペディアのカナです。今回は天気にまつわる歌を4つ紹介いたします。プロップがなくても簡単に手遊び歌として歌える曲となっております。外遊びの時に自然に触れながら子どもたちと一緒に天気を学びながら歌ってみてください。また楽器、ベルや太鼓を使用して歌うのも楽しいかと思います。それでは一緒に歌ってみましょう。どうぞ。Oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine on me. Oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children asking you to please come on so we can play with you. Oh Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine on, please shine on, please shine on me. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's sunny today. How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's rainy. How's the weather? It's rainy. It's rainy today. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. How's the weather? It's cloudy. It's cloudy today. How's the weather? It's windy. How's the weather? It's windy. How's the weather? It's windy. It's windy today. How's the weather? It's snowy. How's the weather? It's snowy. How's the weather? It's snowy. It's snowy today. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head.And couldn't get up till morning.
最後までご視聴ありがとうございます。保育ペディアは海外で活躍する保育士たちが情報を発信しているサイトです。海外保育に興味のある方はぜひ遊びに来てください。それではまた。